In this video, I will show you how to make a pumpkin, a Halloween page for a quiet book. The pumpkin hides tiny decorations that move with the movement of the entire page. There are also large eyes that can be detached. On top, there is also funny tail that can be turned around the axis and unfasten it. As a gift, you will also find a pumpkin to color in and a colorful printable picture that you can hang in the children's room. So download the patterns and let's get started. We will need felt, threads, scissors, vanishing markers, foil, hole punch, clips, snaps, snap button tool, and Velcro tape. Prepare patterns with the title Pumpkin Page Part 1 and cut them out. In this pattern, also cut out the inner shape. Place this pattern on orange felt and outline its outer and inner shape with vanishing marker. And cut out the pumpkin along the edge and also the inner shape. This pattern place on foil and cut along the edge. It doesn't have to be very precise. Then place the foil on the bottom in this place and fasten it with clips. Sew both pieces along the shape of the smile using orange thread. Prepare patterns of the title Pumpkin Page Part 2 and cut them out. Place them on right color of felt, outline shapes with vanishing marker and cut them out. Prepare a Velcro tape with its soft side and this paper pattern. Place it here and cut it out this shape. And do it again. Prepare big orange elements and place the Velcro in the center with the soft side up, sew along the edge with the color of the Velcro. In the next step, put white pieces in the center of the orange elements and sew along the edge with white thread. Now prepare blue elements, put them here and sew along the edge with blue thread. Place black elements in the middle of the blue elements and sew along the edge with black thread. Now we will make the twinkles in the eyes. Prepare a small piece of white felt and hole punch. Choose the largest size. Place white twinkles in the center of the black elements and sew it with white thread. In the next step, put the front and back of eyes wrong sides together and sew along the edge with orange thread. The bottom thread is also orange. And now cut off excess felt along the edge. Now prepare the tail. Place it on felt in the same color and sew along the edge with green thread. The bottom thread is also green. And now cut off excess felt along the edge with small scissors. Draw a dot in this place with vanishing marker. It's about 8 mm from the edge, and make a hole in this place. Prepare one pair of snaps with plate and a second element with a convex surface and snap button tool. Put the plate in the hole on the top and the second part of the snap on the bottom. Keep them in this position all the time. Take snap button tool, cover the snaps, and press the ends. Prepare this pattern which you used earlier and this pattern with the title Pumpkin Page Part 3 and cut them out. Place them on right color of felt. Outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Take this paper pattern and cut out inner shape. Place it on base page so that they are overlapped and outline the inner shape with vanishing marker. Then place this element on the drawn shape and sew it with black thread. Prepare pumpkin and this paper pattern, lay it in this place and trace the inside edge with a vanishing marker. Do it the same on the other side. Then along the drawn lines make a straight stitch with orange thread. Remember to start and stop sewing about 2 mm from the edge. Take this paper pattern again and make holes in the places of dots. Place it on the pumpkin so that they overlap and mark dots in the places of holes. Prepare Velcro tape with roof side and this paper pattern. Place it on the back side and cut out shape twice. Place roof velcros on the pumpkin where the dots are and sew along the edge with orange thread. Finally, prepare the nose and place it here. It's about 10 mm from this place and sew along the edge with black thread. In the next step, prepare pumpkin and the base page. Put the pumpkin in this place so that the smile covers the black element. Prepare orange thread. We will start sewing the pumpkins to the base page at this point, then stop here, insert the ornaments inside, and continue sewing to where we started. Attach the tail in the last step, put it on the pumpkin in the selected place, and mark with a dot the place where the snap touches the base page. Make a hole in this place using hole punch, choose the smallest size. Prepare the second pair of snaps with plate and the second part with a flat surface and snap button tool. Place the plate in the hole on the bottom and the second part of the snap on the top. Take snap button tool, cover the snaps and press the ends. Place base page on blue thread and sew along the edge with blue thread. The bottom thread is also blue. And now cut off excess thread along the edge. If you would like this page to be part of the quiet book, take this paper cutter again and make a hole in the place of dot. Lay it on the base page so that they overlap and draw a dot in the place of hole. Choose the largest size and make a hole in the place of dot. Then through the hole you can lead a shoelace or a ribbon and connect the remaining pages in this way. And finally attach the tail and eyes, and the pumpkin page is ready. I hope you found the tutorial easy and you managed to make a cute Halloween page for your sensory book. Another page to the collection can be found in this tutorial that just appeared on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye!